Yeah.
So this is a kind of boundary of a compound, and you see another there is be units get built up. So there's no more courtyard as you saw before, which is center of activities. And there's a lot of alleys like that, which is not very safe for the women. No good.
Afghan compound had the houses around an open space in the middle. These shelters getting built right in the middle of the compound, and very narrow pathways have started being created, which of course is causing a massive concern for gender-based violence, which often happens, between family members.
So everything's gone, and now here's a foundation of that so-called unit they're gonna build with the concrete, and has no compound wall or anything like that, so it's completely destroyed the social structure. And everything made of river and the concrete.
Miyamoto Relief, with the support of the Center for Disaster Philanthropy, was able to help 500 families to rebuild incredibly beautiful, vernacular, sort of traditionally built homes. I'm standing right next to one. The quality is stunning. The culture has not been changed here because we used all natural building materials, but incorporated seismic safety measures. Those are known as the 6 key messages here, which the community all knows. These are 6 sort of details that if they are missed, the building's at risk of collapse in an earthquake. If they are incorporated in the design and the construction, the building will be much more resilient to sustain future earthquakes, and also the ongoing aftershocks that are still felt here a year after the earthquake.
Before the Miyamoto Relief.
Okay, let's go see.
Can you see it like the privacy is?
This is the shell, the compound, and these are the goods and the.
Oh yeah. So this is a typical condition of a compound living, essentially the farming and ranching essentially going on. Some little donkey, water well,
We also have
little chicken. Okay, let's go see inside.
And these are the shelters built by Miyamoto.
Wow.
Miyamoto Relief Project.
Looking good, huh?
Yeah.
Looking good. This is exactly what we want to see. We want to see the about 10-inch thick of a clay roof, which have right there, and also we want to see the actually wood, the roof wood sticking out outside. So when the wall moves, it does not fall, and we want to see that that clay built just like that. Beautiful.
And you can compare the quality of the door and the window, because like the quality was very important here for the engineers
Yeah.
to look after. You can see this door. You can see this door and the door we saw last time in the other places. It's a big difference because this is very permanent something, and also like the window, the same for the same wood, which are like very famous here in the area. So like they were trying to have like the good quality of timber, door, window that should be sustainable forever.
You see, this is very important for the
50 centimeters,
Yeah.
about 2 feet.
Yeah.
It's actually critical. So the height and so-called width ratio for us is very important. 50 centimeter.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a pretty room.
Yeah. You can come. You can come here.
Wow.
Like they have the same life as before, but it's safer, more like safer than before, because of the key messages now. They know those 6 things, but more the life is now a change.
Yeah, exactly.
Post disaster, it's a phenomenon wherever we observe. Like we go there, we just build on our comfort zones, and we don't really give like a lot of attention on
people's comfort after disaster, where they're gonna live because they're the end users. So our comfort is just the flat land and we build there and we just go away. But here, like we never change the layout. It's really important. They have the same kitchen, place, child area, livestock area, entrance and exit, sunlight. You know, it's really fascinating.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks so much. Really appreciate it. And this is very nice, huh? I like the decoration. Beautiful. See the importance of a compound wall. Here's from inside. Now the screen's built up, and behind this house is you're gonna see the wall itself. That's a privacy. It's kind of like something like you're gonna see Roman architecture, right? Kind of like that. And this inside here is very important. This is used for the playground, people to roam around. How'd you like the new home?
We're very happy.
Yeah?
They're very happy.
Yeah? That's good. So everybody moved in?
Everybody move in.
I see. So next step is, I guess, build a compound wall. They're still missing the piece there.
He also said that there are so many people. The population is very big in his family.
Yeah.
They need rooms.
Yeah.
With together with the compound wall on that side as well.
Yeah.
Like the expansion of the compounds over there, some room in this side as well.
Okay. Okay, so you can see the importance of a compound wall. Essentially, that's a social unit here. It's not about architecture, it's not about engineering. It's about social unit. So the compound units, which usually contain about five families, some cases up to 80 people actually. So that's a family unit. So once you take the wall down, whole social structure breaks. That something happened here for certain places that has to be amended.